Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to the climes of cool Smokey Vale, St. Andrew, where you'll find this well-loved 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home for sale. It offers panoramic views of the city, ocean, and blue mountains. It sits on half acre of land. Some of its outstanding features include manicured lawns, awesome inner and outer living spaces, security alarm systems, camera system, solar system, backup water supply, and remote gate. There are mature trees and a well established garden with fruit trees, palms, and much more. This property is perfect for a family that loves to live their best life. Call your preferred agent to view this well appointed home today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 77 million or US $489.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.